The best SEO tools of 2021 in just 6 minutes. Hi guys, my name is Ella from Mark D Agency, and after watching this video you will know which tools to use to skyrocket your growth. Which tool are you currently using or considering? Let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. We are not here to just tell you our opinion on the tools. No, we conducted proper research to spare you the trouble of doing this all yourself. The results will be shown on a scorecard and we will briefly discuss the tools on hand. We use the following criteria. Backlinking database. An important side note here is that every tool has its own filtering system. Sometimes it looks like smaller tools have bigger databases, but be aware of the fact that it doesn't mean they offer you more quality. Premium tools filter and update their database frequently, and therefore they remove irrelevant links from the database. Then we have keyword research opportunities, completeness of toolkit, UX design, price comparison and on-page scrolling. Now we're going to walk through the different tools and give them a score. If you're in a hurry, the tools are ordered from low to high score. First we have Majestic. Majestic is far too expensive for such an outdated and bad-looking interface. The data is precise, but that's no reason to buy Majestic because there is a better option. KWFinder makes use of Majestic's database and you will only pay $29 per month. Additionally, you'll get the beautiful KWFinder UX design that improves your user experience massively. Conclusion, Majestic was great back in the day but irrelevant in the present. Next we have SE ranking. SE ranking is the most affordable SEO toolkit we will discuss today. You will get a complete package of tools to help you find keywords, create backlinks and monitor your site health. SE ranking is solid on every front, but it doesn't excel at anything at the same time. It's a good and trustworthy SEO tool for freelancers or small business owners. I do like the UX design of SE ranking. It's one of the cleanest and easiest to digest. Next we have KWFinder. KWFinder is originally a keyword research tool that is famous for its precise measurement system. It provides you with profitable keywords and arguably the most beautiful UX design of them all. KWFinder was sold to Mangles and Mangles have put massive effort in creating a complete SEO toolkit. They added rank tracking, a backlink database and more. However, these tools are fun add-ons, but nothing like Ahrefs or SEMrush. KWFinder is a great tool for beginners because it's affordable and it has the best keyword measurement system. Next we have Moz, and Moz is the granddaddy of SEO. It's been at its top for ages because it has trustworthy data and a clean design. The system works fast and is complete with its on-page scrolling, backlinking database and keyword research. On the same time, Moz hasn't really innovated on a large scale. For example, Moz has a lot of outdated backlinking URLs in their system. They updated their software and aren't as hopelessly outdated like Majestic, but it also doesn't feel like they are going the extra mile for us. This combined with the fact that its pricing is not cheap, makes Moz a good choice but not the best. Then we have Ahrefs. Ahrefs is by far the best combination of UX designing and efficient working. You have all the information you need within one screen and you can adjust the filters to your preference. Last week, I made a list of 1,000 guest post opportunities in only 5 minutes. With one additional click, this data was converted to Excel and I was good to go. The biggest downside of Ahrefs is the pricing. There is a light version available, but I find this plan pretty useless. It's insufficient for most entrepreneurs that take SEO seriously. That means its standard plan is next in line and it comes at a cost of $179 per month. That's $60 more expensive than SEMrush. And SEMrush offers more data, more tools, and it's innovating at a rapid pace. Ahrefs is a lot better because of the UX design. But is that worth paying $60 extra per month? And lastly, we have SEMrush. SEMrush is the best SEO tool of 2021 because they offer the most effective set of tools. With SEMrush, you can do keyword research, but also social media management, brand monitoring, PPC campaigns, and more. Its data is precise and you get advanced filters, and they are innovating in a rapid pace, a pace that even Ahrefs can't keep up with. Recently, they have reworked their backlinking database by investing 30,000 working hours and adding 500 servers plus 40,000 terabytes of storage. If there's one aspect I would change about SEMrush, then it's definitely the UX design. It can look overwhelming when we are analyzing the data. However, I have faith in SEMrush, because since they went public on the stock market, they have been relentlessly improving their tools. Overall, SEMrush offers the most value for your money, and it's our best SEO tool of 2021. We use SEMrush daily for our clients. Try it out yourself with the free trial. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and let me know if this video changed your mind. Oh, and don't forget to check out markdagency.com for our free branding checklist. 82% fail our checklist. Will you do any better? Also, if you want more content like this, please subscribe to our channel. And have a remarkable day.